Okay. 3.
These are two cars that I'm gonna show you. And this is a black car, maybe from a Wii DS or Xbox. And this is not from a Wii or Xbox or DS. Maybe it is, but it's Hot Wheels. Now I'm gonna show this first. I'm waiting for my mom to open. Now, this is the card. This is the card. The black car on the Wii. And let me show it all around. I think it's really cool. Now I'm gonna show this. I'll show it all around. So these two cars, they're mine. And the biggest is this one because this is in a Wii and it has to be big. So the big ones are in a Wii, the small ones are kind of in a Wii, maybe. But these two cars, I bought it from school and it was the big sale. And this one is black, this is green, white, and yellow, red, and orange, and gray, too much colors. But these two are so cool cars. Thank you for watching this, and have a good day.